Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of What's New on Plexuss. I know it's been a while, so this will be kind of like a combination video talking about some of our latest features. Um, if you haven't noticed yet, we have released a new section called Workshops, which you can access through going to the Student Center and in Workshops. So here we have all kinds of workshops, for different categories, different subjects. So let's say we're interested in online colleges, for example. We can go ahead and look and see what they have to offer. So if we look down here, we can see the workshops. Let's go ahead and check this one out. So if you prefer to kind of watch something, you're able to watch some of our workshops, or you can read along. So it's kind of a transcription as well, so you can kind of read. So that way, if you have a different learning style, you have a choice here. Okay. Let's say we had some questions or wanted to discuss what was going on in any of these workshops. We can go to the quad, and we can add to this. We can say we can go ahead and post. We can also see different members of this club as well when they join. So if you ever have any questions or want to discuss things related to workshops, then you have the quad area of the workshops to do that. And if you have any kind of categories or suggestions that we should cover, please let us know in the comments. Thanks.
You guys, you demanded, you asked for it, and we listened to you guys. So we are so excited to introduce our new scholarship section. So you can either get there through this beautiful banner, or you can click over here on the site on scholarships. And currently we have available scholarships by major, state, or sport, but we often add more, so it's super important that you check in frequently so you never miss a new scholarship that you might be eligible for. So I want to show you guys a little bit around. There are student testimonials, and I just want to show you some scholarships. So I'm going to go ahead and select scholarships by state. And since I am in California, I'm going to show you that example. So we have a timer for the due date. These run monthly, and winners are selected by the end of each month. Please make sure you read through all these properly to know that you are really eligible. I'm going to hit apply. And here are many prompts to choose from. So whatever your heart desires, what speaks to you that you can write about, you should select that. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on the general prompt and then hit continue. Now we are in the editor. Now it's important that you give your essay/article a nice title. So I'm going to call it My California Experience. Then you should give your article a really beautiful on-point image. I'm just going to pick something real quick from my downloads just to show you guys. And then you should paste your written essay. You can write it also in here, of course. I'm just going to go ahead and paste some things in Lauren Ibsen. So remember, there is a word count. This is enough. So you can either add this to your projects and publications in your public profile, or keep it private, which in my case I'll do. And then you can go ahead and submit it for review. Now you can either, after this went through, click on view your article, right? So you get to see it. Or you can go to my colleges, go to your scholarships, and then see all the scholarships you've applied to. I hope this was a helpful video for you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching.